Welcome back to MPV Auto. The Isuzu Trooper is a famous SUV that was first made to be tough and useful off-road. Even though it had a simple 4-cylinder engine and a classic boxy shape, the first version was able to handle rough terrain. As we move into 2025, there is hope that Isuzu will bring the Trooper back with a modern twist, combining its classic look with the newest technology. The 2025 Trooper is likely to keep its tough personality while taking on a more modern look. It's just a story right now, but maybe it will give you ideas in the future. It is expected that the newest model will have strong body lines and modern touches, like sharp LED headlights and a bigger, more efficient front grille. It is said that the 2025 Trooper will have a diesel-electric hybrid engine, which will save gas without losing power. Its famous 4WD drivetrain will also get an adaptive traction control system that can change based on the terrain. These features make the Trooper great for both off-road activities and quick trips to and from work. When the Isuzu Trooper comes back in 2025, it will be like seeing an old friend while also bringing something new to the SUV market. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.